Hi guys, let's learn this cool effect together. Okay guys, first create a composition and write anything you want. Now let's align it. Okay, let's have a scale animation first. But before, let's replace the anchor point to the center. Choose your text and press Y to control the anchor point. Hold Ctrl and lift click. Okay, now let's keyframe scale at 1 second and increase it at 0 second. Let's see. Cool. Easy ease the keyframes by F9. We can make it smooth from Graph Editor. Nice. Add CCLNs to your text. Create keyframe to size at 1 second. And change it to 0 at 0 second. Easy ease them again. Good. Recompose your text. And add shift channels. Turn the green and blue off. And change the mode to screen. Duplicate it by Ctrl B. This time, turn the red and blue off. Duplicate it again. And this time, do the same for red and green. Now, push them few frames forward. Nice. Then create an adjustment layer and name it Glow. Add a glow effect. That's good. You can also get rid of noises. First, create an adjustment layer again. And add noise. Increase the amount to 3% and uncheck these two. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe the channel if you're new and leave comments if you have any questions.